Tim and Bob, Bobby Valentino. You know how we do. It's another one. I saw you walking down on Melrose.
Hello you guys, so today I am doing a wig review as from the title shows. So I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. Oh my gosh, sorry, I have a bunch of hairs in my mouth. I am going to be doing something way different today. I am going to actually be wearing this wig in public. I'm going to go do some shopping with you guys, and I've had a lot of requests to do that. I mean, I'm going to be going by myself, so I'm not really going to be going up to people and saying, do you think my hair is a wig? No, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to be bothering people. I just want to go out shopping with you guys and kind of just like wear this out, see if it's comfortable for the most part, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to go out and get an opinion from my sisters right now and see what they think. And then my niece, so I think that would be a lot of fun. But anyways, before I go and undo that, this wig right here is from this new company called Shelove Wig, and I found this beautiful gem. I was looking for something that was very 90s, early 2000s, like 90s supermodel type of wig, and I think I found it. So in the late 90s and early 2000s, like mid-length hair was all the rage, so I really wanted that Cindy Crawford type of color, something that was very similar to mine that I could wear and be comfortable with. So I found this gem right here on a hidden website called shelovewig.com. So I will be putting up the information on the screen, but this wig is a medium length synthetic lace front wig, and it has one review, so not many people have bought it yet, but I will probably be reviewing it because I just got this one. And it does run a bit pricey. It's free shipping, but it is set for $95 right now. But I will provide you guys with a coupon code, so my code is Nicole, and that will give you $20 off any wig on the website. But anyways, this is just a high temperature synthetic hair wig, and the hairstyle, it says that it's straight, but it's not. And the hair length is as the picture. It looks like it's about 14 to 16 inches. It's 150 to 180% density, and it has a natural hairline. There are 3 combs on this wig. There's two right here, and then one at the bottom, and then there's the adjustable strap. So it better have that, because I would not be going out in public with this if it was going to be falling off. So that is it. It was lace front. I did cut the lace. I can zoom in so you guys can see the hairline, and then we can go shopping together. This is the hairline. It is super natural. I don't even have like lace glue on. It just looks like my real hair. That's why I got it, because I wanted it to look like real. Because sometimes I don't feel like doing my hair. Today was one of those days. Now I can just go shopping with this wig on and not be embarrassed about it. So as you can see, it is medium length, and it's not too long, pretty thick. I haven't done much styling with it, but let's go shopping together and see what I really think about this wig, and then when I get back I can kind of show you how it looks styled a bit. Okay, so I am about to drive to the stores right now in this wig. I think it'll pass the test. My niece is asleep right now, so I couldn't ask my family, but when I get home, oh my god, this radio is so loud. When I get home, I don't vlog much, guys. When I get home, I'm going to ask them if they think I'm wearing a wig or not.
Turn the lights off in this place, and she shines just like a star.
Okay, so I just parked and I'm here at Target, and I need to get a few face products. So now we will finally be in public, and people are staring at me. Pretty sure they think I'm taking a selfie. Okay, so now I'm going into Target. I stopped vlogging for a numerous amount of reasons, mainly because nobody watches them. But with YouTube these days, nobody watches any of my videos, but I'm heading into the store. Makeup aisle. I definitely need to find a new foundation here. I want to try this True Match one right here. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I just feel like it's necessary, but I don't know. Okay, so I am in the skincare aisle, and I am just looking for something, you know, to smooth the face out, something like that, you know. And people aren't staring at me weird, only maybe because I'm vlogging, but not because of the wig. I've been wanting to try one of these, but I've been using Michael Todd Beauty instead, but I just need like a face cream. So many decisions, and I heard that these really mess up your skin, so I won't ever use these for face masks. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Okay, so I'm thinking about getting this moisturizer right here. I did this one, but it ran out really quick. And this one's just a couple of dollars more, so I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, so I just got in my car, well, clearly, and I got my few things at Target. I didn't vlog the entire time because I honestly feel, okay, let me flip this over. I feel like people in Texas have never seen a vlogger before, and therefore, like, they just stare, or they just like follow me, and I felt like a couple of workers were following me. And I thought I was going to have one of those Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson moments.
I'm used to it.
You still record at that, I believe the property.
We're outside though, we can't.
Still our property.
Where's not the property?
Yeah, so I thought I was going to get kicked out. So I just wanted to stop vlogging, but I felt like people were staring at me a lot of the time, but I think it's just because I had a camera up, not because of my hair. And I did check out with someone. I just think that it was because of the camera, but it did. I'm feeling like less insecure, but I am gonna go to the mall now, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of shopping around, and then I'm gonna get home and tell you guys like the overall comfort. So I'll take you guys with me a little bit shopping, and then from there I'll just come home and talk about the comfort of the wig. Okay, so I just parked at the mall and I'm in the garage. I like to park really far. There's plenty of spots that are in the front, but I like to park where you pull forward, and that way you don't have to back up, because it just freaks me out, you know, being in the garage and then someone might be like behind you and it's so dark in here. Or I just like being far away. I don't know. I don't care if I have to walk. It really doesn't matter. But anyways, I'm about to get off at the mall. We'll see what we can find. At H&M, and I have some of these clothes that I'm going to be trying. I'll show you guys in the room. These are my favorite. Love these pants. They're so cute. This is such a look. Love these pants. This whole outfit is just... Okay. Whoa, I'm sorry about that. I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to in the mall, but that's just because there were so many people there and it was awkward. I'm sorry. I don't vlog often, so it's weird for me. And I used to do it all the time, but like I said earlier, people don't watch my vlogs. Like, I know that YouTube has been going like down the drain for smaller people. Like, yeah, it just hasn't been doing good for people of the smaller community, and I think it's really messed up. Like, it's only doing good for people who are really, really popular, and smaller YouTubers like me, like, our videos aren't getting flooded to sub boxes anymore, so you guys don't even watch my videos anymore. And it's really sad because so many people tell me that they don't see my videos. So I put all this hard work into it for no one to see it, but whatever. Hopefully YouTube fixes their stuff, but yeah, I didn't get to vlog as much as I want, but I'm about to get home and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so this is my niece. Come here, Haley. So, what do you think of my hair? What do you think of my hair?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
It looks pretty.
So, do you think that it's real?
Yes.
Can you pass that test? Say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Oh.
Here, about you come to call Santa.
What?
About you come to call Santa.
Okay, so my other sisters did not want to be in this vlog, so I could not vlog them. So I just got the opinion of my niece, which she's 3, so of course she thinks my hair is real, but I think it passed the test. Yeah, so I just got home, and as you saw from that vlog, I wore this wig out the entire time. So my thoughts. I didn't feel insecure wearing it. I really didn't think people thought I was wearing a wig, which if people did, I don't care if they thought I was wearing a wig. I really love it. I can't wait to wear it out for date night. I do want to see what my boyfriend thinks, but he's busy right now, so if I FaceTimed him, he probably wouldn't answer. So, but I guess I will just have to wait to wear this out on date night sometime and see what he thinks, but I can't, that video would take forever. So anyways, I love this wig. It passed the test. It passed the wear out test. The only thing that I was having trouble with is it got itchy. Like, it got really itchy, and I started wanting to just like snatch it off. And I've only been gone for around 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Yeah, so I didn't vlog everything, so that's why it seemed like I was only out for a very little, but it did get itchy. But I did go into some really bright lighting, like stores with bright lights, and going outside, and the synthetic shine was very minimal, so I think I fooled a lot of people that this was my hair. So I absolutely love it. I am going to do a 90s supermodel look with this hair, and also like a Cindy Crawford, because I feel like this is a very Cindy Crawford style wig, and I will be using it a lot. And it's styled really nice. I did notice a few it shed a little bit while I was combing it, but yeah, I don't want to comb it too much because I don't want the curls to get all messed up. And like, if I want to do like a cute low bun with it, I think that'll look nice with it. Something off the shoulder, something really sexy, you know what I mean? And if I use my real hair like underneath, then I'll be able to do like a half up, half down look. So right here you can see the lace, but if I use my real hair, you won't be able to tell, and I can have that cute shorter look. And sometimes my hair is not much longer than this, it's about right here, but sometimes you just want that cute mid-length hair, like that Jennifer Aniston type of mid-length. And since I'm really into the 90s, of course I want that. But other than that, I love it. It was itchy, but I think I can find a way to get rid of that, or make it more comfortable at least. I'll figure that out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I felt like you guys got to talk and hang out with me a little bit more. The wig passed the test. I'll leave it linked down below in case you're interested. Remember, I will have a code just in case it's a little bit out of your price range. But I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't, because I do these so often. I do wig reviews often if you like wig reviews. Or hit that notification button if you've been subscribed to me so you don't miss my videos, because YouTube sucks now. Alright. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.